Hello children, how are you? I hope you all safe and staying at home. Dear children, welcome to Mahila Samaja learning classes. Today we shall learn the chapter 8 length. Dear students, in your previous class you have learnt how to measure the length of various objects using handspan, cubit, fathom, foot span, etc. They are not standard measurements. The measures vary when we use non-standard units. Hence, to know the exact length of objects, we need a standard unit. The standard unit of measuring length of objects is meter. Meter is denoted by m. To measure long distances, the standard units used are decameter, hectometer and kilometer. To measure short lengths, the standard units used are decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Let us know more about these standard units of length. Usually the word deca, hecto, kilo, deci, centi and milli are prefixed before the word meter. This shows the place value of the units which represents a part of a meter. Hence, let us first know the meaning of these units. The first one, standard units of greater length. 1 meter, decameter is equal to 10 times, hectometer is equal to 100 times, kilometer is equal to 1000 times. Standard units of smaller length, 1 meter, deci is equal to 1 by 10 part, centi is equal to 1 by 100 part, milli is equal to 1 by 1000 part. So, the next one, comparison of greater standard units of length with 1 meter. 10 times 1 meter is equal to 10 meter is equal to 1 decameter. 100 times 1 meter is equal to 100 meter is equal to 1 hectometer. 1000 times 1 meter is equal to 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. The next one, comparison of smaller standard units of length with 1 meter. 1 by 10 of 1 meter is equal to 1 by 10 meter is equal to 1 decimeter. 1 by 100 of 1 meter is equal to 1 by 100 meter is equal to 1 centimeter. 1 by 1000 of 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter is equal to 1 millimeter. The common standard units of length used in daily life, they are 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Dear children, next we know the conversion of length from one unit to the other. To convert greater units of length into smaller units, the rule is to convert kilometer into meter multiply by 1000. To convert meter into centimeter, we multiplied by 100. To convert centimeter into millimeter, to multiplied by 10. Note, to convert greater units of length into smaller units, we should always do the multiply. Observe the following examples. First one, how many meter make 2 kilometer? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Therefore, 2 kilometer is equal to 1000 into 2. We get the 2000 meter. The second example, how many centimeter make 4 meter? 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter, children? Yes, 100 centimeter. Therefore, 4 meter is equal to 100 into 4 is equal to 400 centimeter. The third example, how many millimeter make 12 centimeter? So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Therefore 12 centimeter is equal to 10 into 12 is equal to 120 millimeter. Dear children, next we know the how to convert smaller units of length into greater units. The rule is to convert meter to kilometer, divide the given number by 1000. To convert centimeter to meter, divide by 100. To convert millimeter to centimeter, divide by 10. Note, to convert smaller units of length into greater units, we should always do the divide. Children, now observe the examples. First example, convert 3000 meter to kilometer. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Therefore, 3000 kilometer. Children, now Children, now observe the example. The first example, convert 3000 meter to kilometer. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Therefore, 3000 meter is equal to 3000 divided by 1000. So 1000 ಇಂದ 3000 ನಾವು divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we get the 3 kilometer. The next example, convert 575 centimeter into meter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Therefore, 575 centimeter is equal to 575 divided by 100. ನಾವು 575 ನ 100 ಇಂದ divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we get the answer 100 5s are 500. So 5.75 meter answer ಬರುತ್ತೆ. The next example, convert 400 millimeter into centimeter. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Therefore, 400 millimeter is equal to 400 divided by 10. We get the answer is 40 centimeter. I hope you all understood these points, children. Dear children, now exercise 8.1, solve the following. It is the second main. The first main is answer orally. You should write in the classwork. See, first convert 573 centimeter into meter. So here they are given centimeter. So you know 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೀಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಮೀಟರ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ 573 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Therefore 573 centimeter is equal to 573 divided by 100 centimeter. ನೀವು ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೀಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. 100 ಇಂದ ನಾವು 573 ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 100 5s are 500. So 73. So here only 2 digit, here 3 digit. So we put the 1 decimal point. Then you add up 1 0 here. 100 7s are 700. One time ನೀವು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು zeros ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So again you add up one more 0. 100 3s are 300. So what is the answer? 5.73 meters. The second question, convert 1378 meter into kilometers. So here meter, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Therefore 1378 meter is equal to 1378 divided by 1000. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನೋಡಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಈಸಿ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? 3 zeros. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಹೀಗೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಹೀಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 1000 ones are 1000, 378. ಸೊ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 0 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ಟು 3000. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಏಟ್ಸ್ 8. ಸೊ ಈಸಿ ನೋ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? 3 zeros. ಸೊ 3 ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ಟರೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ 1.378 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್. The third question, convert 1515 centimeter into millimeters. So 1515 centimeter ನ ನಾವು ಮಿಲಿಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯು ನೋ 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeter? 10 millimeter. ಸೊ ಬಿಗ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we should always do the multiplication. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇಂದ ಬಿಗ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? ಬಿಗ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ಗೆ, ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಟು ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದರಿಂದ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 1515 centimeter is equal to 1515 into 10. ಸಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮೊದಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 10 ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 00, 1 5s, 1 1s, 1 5s, 1 1s. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಮಿಲಿಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ ಏನಾಯ್ತಿದು? 15,150 millimeter. The fourth question, Radha's school is at a distance of 2,450 meter from her house. Express this distance in kilometer. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಧಾ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂದ ಇಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಂತೆ. ಇದು ಮೀಟರ್ ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ವಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೀಟರ್ ಇಂಟು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್. ಮೀಟರ್ನ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Therefore 2450 meter is equal to 2450 divided by 1000. ಸೊ ಈಸಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. 450 divided by 1000. 1000 2s are 2000. 0.450, again add up 1 0. 4s are 4000. Again 500. 1 point ಇಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ again we add up one more 0 there. So we get the answer is ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? 2000 2 kilometer 45 meter. So it is the answer. The fifth question, the length of a ground is 15 meters. Express the length in centimeter. So length of a ground how much? 15 meters. Write that. Solution, the length of a ground 15 meters. Express the length in centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore 15 meter is equal to 15 into 100. So write as it is 2 zeros, 1 5s are 1 1s are. So what is the answer? 1500 centimeter. Dear children, now observe the page number 101, exercise 8.2. The first main answer orally. The first one, the length of a wire is 3 meter. What is the total length of 5 such wires? The length of a wire is 3 meter. What is the total length of 5 such wires? So, it is a multiplication. See, write first solution. The length of a wire is 3 meter. The total length of five such wires. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯ 5 ವೈರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ವೈರು ಮೆಷರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 3 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರುವಂಥ 5 ಸಚ್ ವೈರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಓರಲ್ 3 5s are 15. So what is the answer? 15 meters. The second question, out of a roll of cloth measuring 50 meter, 17 meter of cloth is sold. Find the length of remaining cloth. Here remaining means subtraction. So ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಒಟ್ಟು ಟೋಟಲು 50 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಷ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ದು ರೋಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮಾರಾಟ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. 17 ಮೀಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಎ ರೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಮೆಷರ್ 50 meter. Length of cloth sold 17 meter. So do the subtraction work. So 10, 4, 3, 3. What is the remaining? 33 meter. The remaining length of cloth is equal to 33 meter. Dear children, next exercise 8.2, add the following. The first question, 22 meter 71 centimeter and 14 meter 30 centimeter. First you arrange the numbers like 22 meters 71 centimeter plus 14 meter 30 centimeter. Now you add the centimeter ones and meters again. See, write centimeter as it is. 1 plus 0 1, 7 plus 3 10. So here put the 0, then take here 1. 1 means 100 centimeter. 1 means 100 centimeter. So now add the meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 10 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Again 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7. Next 2 plus 1 3. The total answer is 37 meter. 37 meter 1 centimeter. So same thing you add this one also. 4 kilometer to 30 meter and 22 kilometer to 80 meter. First we arrange the numbers. 4 kilometer single ide illi, so 4 kilometer write as it is. Then 230 meter, again here 2 digit, here single digit, here 2 digit. So one the ನೀವು it is ones place, you consider as ones place. Then tens place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you put the 0 there. So 22 kilometer to 80 meter. Now add the meter first. 0 plus 0 0, 8 plus 3 11, again 1 carry. So 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, write again kilometer. Then 4 plus 2 6, 0 plus 2 2. What is the answer? 26 kilometer 510 meter. That's all. Now children, observe the page number 102. Fourth main, solve the following. The length of a line segment is 12 centimeter. Into how many line segments of 3 centimeter each can it be divided? So directly they are given divided. Divided means division. We should do the division work here. The length of a line segment how much? 12 centimeter into how many line segments of 3 centimeter each. So easy, no? 3 4s are 12. So it is not a oral, it is a working problem. So made the statement, the length of a line segment, how much? 12 centimeter. Each line segment how much? Each line segment is equal to 3 centimeter. So 12 divided by 3, we get the 4. See, if you want to write like 3 4s are 12. The answer is, thus the length of each line segment is equal to how many centimeter? 4 centimeters. The second question, Ravi bought 3 meter 60 centimeter length of pant cloth. He gave 1 meter 20 centimeter of cloth to his younger brother. What is the length of the remaining cloth? So here also you understood, remaining means subtraction work. See, first we write the statement. Ravi bought of pant cloth how much? 3 meter 60 centimeter. Ravi gave cloth to his younger brother. How much? 1 meter 20 centimeter. So do the subtraction work. 4 2. What is the remaining? Last conclusion. Thus the length of cloth remaining with him is equal to 2 meter 40 centimeter. Next, third main, subtract the following. ಆಗಲೇ ನೀವು ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ರಿ, ಈಗ ಅದೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ 68 ಮೀಟರ್ 35 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 75 ಮೀಟರ್ 48 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ವೈಸು ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಗ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ 75 ಮೀಟರ್ 48 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇಂದ 68 ಮೀಟರ್ 35 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಇಟ್, ರೈಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. 8 minus 5 3, 4 minus 3 1. So next meter. 5 minus 8 we can't do, so take one borrow from here to here, it become 15. Then here 6. 15 minus 8 7. 6 minus 6 0. So the answer is 7 meter 13 centimeter. Next, second one, 12 kilometer 425 meter from 17 kilometer 650 meter. So 17 kilometer and 650 meter first stop ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. Next 12 kilometer 425 meter. So meter write as it is. 0 minus 5 we can't do, so take one borrow from here to here, it become 10. Here 4, so 10 minus 5 5, 4 minus 2 2, 6 minus 4 2 kilometer, 7 minus 2 5, 1 minus 1 0. What is the answer? 5 kilometer 225 meter. Okay children, I hope you all understood the exercise 8.1 and 8.2. Thank you. Have a nice day.